harvest of the day. So today I got some black kale, the regular one. Here are some mixed veggie, the African one, some switch chard, the green one, more kale here, black kale, and here the African spinach. I don't know how you call this at your place. You get some callaloo, and all this is all the callaloo. The green look nice. Here I got some basil, here. One okra and the one zucchini. And here are my bitter leaves. Those are very healthy. Good for drink, to cook with it. It's bitter, that's why it's called bitter leaves. It's very bitter, but it's very medicinal as well, so I love it. Take it as tea or put it in my soup or stew. Yep, this is very known in Africa and also in India, I believe. So if you have the name in your country, let me know how you call it. If you use these leaves, it's called bitter leaves. Here we go. So I'm pretty much happy. This is the 4th harvest I'm doing this summer. So they are growing very well, especially the kale. This one is really large. I'm so happy, and it's all organic, no chemical or whatever. So all good. I just use the coffee ground to put in it. You can get this free at if you're in Canada at any Starbucks. You can ask, the graphic is at the front of at the entrance, or you can ask the store manager to give you. So this is how it looks like. You have the coffee grind, and I just throw it in the garden. Throw it mostly on my lawn, and yeah, it's very good. So you even have instructions here to tell you what it does. You see, but I've been using this for years, especially for my lawn. It has helped my lawn being very green, even though we have this hot summer. So I'm very happy, excited. Now the big job is to clean everything, wash them and bag them. But the bitter leaf, I'm planning to dry them so I can use them throughout winter. I don't want to freeze them, rather dry them. I can use them as tea, or I can just sprinkle small amount in my stew or my soup for winter time, since it's very bitter, so no waste, and I can keep it longer that way. The rest of them gonna be cut and wash, cut and bagged for the freezer. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.